Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at moving objects to an edge using the move to end feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. So now in the previous video, we looked at using the move to edge feature with the options set to no move to end. Now today we're going to change this. We're going to go here on this drop down menu and say move to end. So now I'm just going to undo that movement. And then what we're going to do now is, or what's going to happen now, if I just demonstrate, I'm going to click this, and then if I say move down, previously, if I set it back, if you can remember, it's going to move it here to the edge of it, wherever its center location was, or relevant to it. I'm going to undo this, and then now let's grab this again. We're going to move to end. Now what's going to happen is if I click move or snap to the edge, it's going to snap it to the end of whatever shape it's snapped to. Now, let's say for some reason you want it on the right rather, then it is important to move it past this one center point to the other side, or in our case the right. I click snap, and now I'll snap it to the right. So this is a great way of quickly aligning objects, all the edges to one side. And if I snap this and it goes to the left, now this shape, if I had to snap this shape, it's going to snap it to whichever shape it hits first, to that closest edge. So if I go snap down, you'll see it snaps it to this edge. So if you wanted to snap it to that edge, you're going to have to move it past the center point, snap it, and then what we can do is we can always bring it back, snap it to this side. And we've got them all nicely aligned there. So just a quick recap, what's going to happen with a move to end for snapping. It's going to snap it to whatever edge you snapped it to and move it to the end, to that side. So if it's closer to the side, it will move it to the right. If it's closer to the left, it will snap it to the left. But keep in mind, this does not work with the outer border of our cut sheet. So if I snap this to the left, you'll see it just snaps it right there. So I'll have to manually click up. So this only works relevant to other shapes within the object. It's just, I'm curious where all these ones will snap. If I go snap down, right, and this one obviously is then going to hit this little corner. But yeah, otherwise that is it on snapping to edges or move to end with the move to end option. It's going to snap things to the end of the next shape it is snapped onto. It's a bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, also it's quite handy because you can quickly just smack things onto edges and then it aligns it. So like in that case, you saw there, it is snapped it to the bottom right. We snap it to the left, it's bypassed. Now if I say snap down, it is clearly touching this one first, so we'll snap it and align it there. So it is a quick way of aligning shapes to edges. But yeah, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here. Request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.